Hey there, and welcome back to Melt Hot Yoga. Hot Takes, where we break down the science, myths, and magic behind hot yoga. I'm Gina Pasquariello, founder and lead instructor of Hot Asana Yoga Studio in Wichita, Kansas. And today we're talking about something you're doing right now, breathing. But here's the thing, most of us are doing it wrong, especially when we're stressed. So let me paint a picture. It's 2 a.m., you're wide awake. Your mind is racing through tomorrow's to-do list, that conversation you had yesterday, and whether you remembered to pay that bill. Your chest feels tight, your jaw is clenched. Sound familiar? That's your nervous system stuck in overdrive. And if you're a working professional in Wichita, a busy parent shuttling between soccer practice and board meetings, or a healthcare worker at Wesley or Via Christi, you know this feeling intimately. But here's what most people don't realize. You have a built-in off switch, and it's your breath. Okay, let's talk about what's actually happening in your body. Your nervous system has 2 modes. Sympathetic, that's your fight or flight response, and parasympathetic, your rest and digest mode. Modern life, it keeps us locked in sympathetic overdrive. Constant notifications, packed schedules, mounting responsibilities. The result is chronic stress, poor sleep, brain fog, and that overwhelming sense of being perpetually overwhelmed. Now here's where it gets interesting. Your breath is the only function that bridges your conscious and unconscious nervous systems. You can't tell your heart to slow down directly. You can't command your digestion to chill out, but you can change your breathing pattern, and that change sends powerful signals throughout your entire body. There's this nerve called the vagus nerve. It's like your body's primary highway for parasympathetic communication. It connects your brain to your heart, lungs, and digestive system. And research published in Frontiers in Human Neuroscience shows that controlled breathing significantly increases something called heart rate variability, or HRV. That's a key marker of nervous system resilience, basically your body's ability to adapt to stress. Higher HRV means better emotional regulation, improved sleep quality, and enhanced recovery capacity. Pretty powerful stuff. Now, this is where Hot Asana comes in. When you practice breathwork in our 99-degree studio, your body works harder to regulate temperature. This creates a training effect for your nervous system. Studies show that controlled breathing in warm environments enhances thermoregulation capacity and strengthens vagal tone more effectively than room temperature practice. Translation: the heat doesn't just make you sweat, it makes your breathwork more potent. You're giving your nervous system a workout while teaching it to stay calm under pressure. That's a skill that carries over when you're stuck in traffic on Kellogg or handling a crisis at work. All right, let's get practical. At Hot Asana, we teach 3 core breathwork techniques. First, ocean breath. This is the foundation. You breathe slowly through your nose with a gentle constriction in the back of your throat, creating a soft ocean-like sound. Think Darth Vader, but make it zen. Ujjayi serves multiple purposes. It anchors your attention to the present moment, crucial for managing anxiety. It regulates your internal heat production, and it creates a rhythmic pattern that balances your nervous system. Research shows this type of breathing activates the parasympathetic response while maintaining alertness. That's the sweet spot between relaxation and focus. In our heated classes, ocean breathy becomes your thermostat. Too hot? Slow it down. Need more energy? Deepen the breath. Second, box breathing. This is used by Navy SEALs, elite athletes, and therapists treating anxiety and PTSD. Here's how it works. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 4, exhale for 4, hold for 4. Repeat. The extended exhale and retention phases directly stimulate your parasympathetic nervous system, triggering your body's natural relaxation response. We incorporate this during savasana and in the quieter moments of our hot, slow flow classes. Third, breath to movement synchronization. In vinyasa-style classes, every movement pairs with either an inhale or exhale. This isn't arbitrary choreography, it's nervous system coordination. When you link breath with movement, you create a meditative flow state that keeps your stress response in check even during physically challenging sequences. Your body learns it can work hard without panicking, a lesson that transforms how you handle pressure off the mat. Let's talk results. A 2013 study in the Indian Journal of Psychiatry found that yoga practice significantly decreased cortisol levels and improved depression scores. After a hot asana class, that frazzled feeling, gone. Breathwork also increases oxygen delivery to your prefrontal cortex. That's the part of your brain responsible for decision-making and emotional regulation. One study showed that pranayama improved cognitive performance and attention span in just 12 weeks. Our Wichita students report showing up to work meetings sharper, making better decisions under pressure, and feeling less reactive to daily stressors. And sleep, slow breathing before bed, activates your parasympathetic nervous system, signaling to your body that it's safe to rest. Many of our evening class attendees use the breathwork they learn here as part of their bedtime routine. So how do you get started? If you're new to Hot Asana, I've got something special for you. For a limited time, we're offering free hot yoga fundamentals classes, but space is seriously limited, so you'll want to sign up in advance. Here's when you can join me. Mondays at 8 p.m. at our West location and Wednesdays at 7 p.m. at our East location. This is your perfect introduction. I'll personally break down Ujjayi breath, teach you how to navigate the heat, and give you the foundational tools you need to feel confident in any of our classes. Head to hotasanayoga.com/events to reserve your spot before we fill up. If you want something more meditative and breath-focused, try Hot Slow Flow. It emphasizes longer holds and deeper breath work, perfect for stress relief and nervous system regulation. Or jump into our signature Hot Yoga 60-minute class, where you'll experience breath-to-movement synchronization in action. You'll leave feeling accomplished, energized, and surprisingly calm. Every class at Hot Asana is designed to be inclusive and accessible. Whether you're a burned-out professional, a parent desperately needing you time, or someone dealing with chronic stress, you belong here. Here's what I want you to remember. Your body already knows how to heal itself. Sometimes it just needs the right environment and guidance, and that's exactly what we've created at Hot Asana. Your nervous system has been working overtime. It's time to give it the reset it deserves. And hey, if you want the full science breakdown with links to all the peer-reviewed research I mentioned today, head to hotasanayogastudio.com/blog/breathwork-basics, your nervous system's reset button. I've got all the studies cited, plus even more detail on how breathwork transforms your brain and body. Try 2 weeks unlimited hot yoga for just $25, or join me for one of our free hot yoga fundamentals classes. Mondays at 8 p.m. at our West Wichita location and Wednesdays at 7 p.m. at our East Wichita location. For current dates, times, and to sign up in advance, check out the events calendar on our website at hotasanayogastudio.com/events. And hey, before you go, take a deep breath right now. Seriously. Inhale through your nose for 4 counts. Hold. Exhale for 4 counts. Feel that? That's your nervous system saying thank you. Thanks for tuning in to Melt Hot Yoga, Hot Takes. I'm Gina Pasquariello, and I hope to see you on the mat soon. Stay sweaty, stay curious, and remember, your breath is your superpower.